Good morning everyone. Basa na tayo ng kapalaran ni Ralph Lyon Tagubo Vlogs. Pang September 4 na natin. September 4, 2021. Mars Square Sun. Yung mga sekretarios dyan. Yung kopyahin nyo lang yung mga pangaral. Tapos tandaan nyo lang kung ano yung hindi nyo gagawin. Ganun. Since advance naman to, balikan nyo lang dyan yung kung anong araw ngayon. So ngayon is April 24. So, puntahan nyo lang yung April 24 dyan sa kung ano yung kapalaran natin. Pero ang babasahin natin is September 4, 2021, Mars Square Sun. Avoid crowds and irritating people. Nako po, ayan na yung advices ulit kaagad. Unang-una pa lang. Avoid crowds and irritating people if possible for a while, as they can really get on your nerves. Accidents are possible with this transit. Do you scare around sharp objects? Tempers will be on the hot side, so try to keep it under control. Impulsive actions can work against you now. Aggressive acts against others can cause you or someone else injuries now. Leave coffee or stimulants alone until after this transit has run its course, as it will only make the constitution jumpier. You may find that other people who have an axe to grind can be drawn to you like a magnet. Lumayo kayo. Lumayo kayo sa akin. Nakalagay kasi guys, You may find that other people who have an axe to grind can be drawn to you like a magnet. Challenges, disagreements, anger, and arguments are possible now. This is a difficult time for wills, accidents, and gambling as well. Illnesses can also occur. Rigid self-control is needed now for partnerships to survive. Yun, ego confrontation and me-first attitudes will exist. Difficulties with anyone in authority can arise now. And if you aren't careful, there can be physical confrontation. So, iwas-iwas guys. Hindi karuwagan ng pag-iwas. There is extreme anger present that requires an outlet. Consider those things that make you irritable and angry very carefully now, and watch your emotions as they can really get out of control. You will be sorry later on and have to make amends. Another influence of this transit is being ripped off by someone that you put faith in. So be careful in your dealings with others until this transit ends. Physical exhaustion is a danger, as well as being accident prone. Experiencing isa lang guys, ang haba, no? Physical exhaustion. I want. Nahirapan kasi ako mag-pronounce. Ulitin natin yung guys, Yung another influence of this transit is being ripped off by someone that you put faith in. So be careful in your dealings with others until this transit ends. So mag-iingat talaga guys. Physical exhaustion is a danger, as well as being accident prone, experiencing fever, sharp pains, and the joint arthritic conditions, gout, or have some sort of surgery. Those who knowingly break the law. Those who knowingly break the law may be caught in the act at this time. Errors in judgment will lead you to financial loss right now, so think twice and then don't. If you are looking for the perfect time to separate from a loved one, this is it. Alam nyo guys, ang tagal na nito, laging so ibig sabihin talaga makikipag-separate sa loved ones. Ilang beses na to, sa totoo lang. Ay, maiksi lang yung September 5, basahin na kaya natin. So hanggang September 5 tayo. Napaka-iksi. Kaya mo September 5, 2021, Venus opposes Node. You will not be concerned with artistic, social, and sexual points of view at this time. Businesses like to slow down as well as your income. Traditional music, art, and social attitudes are favored rather than abstract forms. Tingnan mo lang to, pagka maganda-ganda ng konti, napaka-iksi. Okay na guys, bye everyone. God bless. Work na tayo.